Hello again, everybody. It's Harry Boxer, the technical trader at TheTechTrader.com. It's Tuesday, September the 3rd. These are the charts of the day. Very difficult day on Wall Street. Markets opened lower, went lower all day, and closed near the lows. A nasty day. But there's always stocks going up, and we traded some today. Let's have a look at some of the, let's see. We'll get to the UltraShorts today as well, but I want to start with AAOI. First of all, as you can see, it's been in a big parallel downtrend for 8 or 9 months. It broke out, and it's been running for 3-4 days now, going from 8.5 to 12 3/4. And although there's resistance around 13, if we get through that, it's a $16 stock. BOF has been spectacular, and it's exploded for 5 days now, going from literally 65 cents to over $4, pulling back to 326. There is resistance there, and we closed a little bit below it or right near it. I'm not sure if there's going to be enough momentum to carry this further, so be careful with this one, but momentum is phenomenal in a lousy market. EPIX broke out today as well after a big downtrend. It formed the base, formed the flag, moving averages crossed over. It broke through the lateral price resistance, and now I'm looking at a move that perhaps takes it a 7.25 for starters. GDC with an explosive move has jumped from 115 to as high as 12 and change, a 12-fold increase in 5 sessions. So it pulled back down, cut it more than in half, and it's been consolidated. Today tried to pop. I'm not sure if that's the beginning of a big move or not. So watch it carefully, because over $8 with any kind of energy could explode. Pcvx with big positive drug news today. Stock went vertical, and we traded that nicely. It went from 81 to 119, finished 110, up a whopping 29.25, 36% gain today. I can see some follow through. My target was 124.5. I'll keep that as an initial target. RAIL, R-A-I-L, a beautiful rising channel, and it had a big reversal day yesterday, engulfing one, but right back up today on an inside day. So for me, it would be gaining 87 cents to 12%. Stock's thin enough that if it gets any volume, it could right back to 9 or even 10. RMTI broke out of a flag today with a pop on 1.5 million, gaining almost 15%. More importantly, you can see the big base to break out the flag, and extension now might get you. I have a target of 4.25. SCO with oil coming down, starting to ramp up. It's broke through a triple top, quadruple top area. I'm now looking for a run that takes this to 20.5 3/4, and then 22.5. With oil coming down, the SOC Sable offshore, spectacular day trade today, broke out. I just kept going. Here's your 1-minute chart. I want to show it to you. Beautiful rising channel, and then the pullback late in the day. But net, a big day for it. As you can see, the angle of ascent very sharp. Stock's overbought. Probably needs to consolidate in this area. SOXS, also one of those ETFs that popped today, along with UVIX and UVXY, all indicating to me the possibilities of a new downtrend, as these are bear ETFs. Watch those three in particular. And we can throw TZA in as well. But TZA is a little different pattern, although it did break the declining top sign with a pop. And now it's going to have to get up to 16. But so that's why I'm picking SOXS, UVXY, and UVIX. And finally, VFC, formerly Vanity Fair, big downtrend. It's taking us from over 100 down into the low teens. V-bottomed, wedge, breakaway gap. I showed you this one a month ago, and then popped and pulled back and tested, and then popped it from the wedge. Right now, angle of ascent tells me we can be 21 and 24 as your next targets. Let's look at some of the hot stocks and ETFs at the TechTrader.com. Good night, everyone.